In this video, let's talk about a very easy way to make money online, and that's through taking online polls. Now, you're not going to make a lot of money with this, but anyone can do this. There's nearly no restrictions, and you can get started on day one. Are you going to become rich doing this? No. But can you do this almost anywhere from your phone? Yes. In a line, in a store, grocery store, while waiting for your doctor's appointment. If you have time to waste, well, now you should not waste it. You should maybe do this. It's going to make a tiny bit. Don't look for this to make a lot of money, but look for it to actually make you a little. So the first and perhaps the most reputable and known company in this space is iPoll. You can, by the way, sign up through their web interface like I'm showing you, but they also have, as you see on the bottom of the screen, Android and Apple apps, so you can do this on the go, which is what I would recommend actually, because when you're in front of a computer, you probably have better things to do, but maybe when you're out, when you have a little bit, quote unquote, time to kill, this is perfect for that. You would sign up, and once you fill out your profile, they'll send you appropriate surveys and polls, and then they'll pay you for it. Very little, but at the same time, better than what you're making now if you're making zero. That's iPoll. A second company in this space, which is almost similar, is Swagbucks. It's also been around for a while. You also just kind of earn points by doing little things like filling out surveys and filling out little things they send you. You get a little cash for this. These sites, they kind of work somewhat similarly. Another site that's similar is The Opinion. It's basically very same thing. Companies pay you to fill out different surveys, questionnaires, test things. It's very simple. They explain it here. Sign up, take surveys, get paid. Couldn't be simpler than that. So that's theopinion.com. Very similarly, opinionoutpost.com. Very same thing. So at this point, you may be getting lost, like which company should I sign up for? Try one or two, see how it works for you. If you're getting paid too little, move on, try the next one. Likely for wherever you are in the world, for your profile, different surveys and needs will come up. And somewhere it's a little less, somewhere it's a little more lucrative. So one of these sites will work a little better than others for you. So then you will just try them all. This is a no pressure strategy. You can kind of do it on your own time, really. And we can just go down the list. You see inboxdollars.com, very similar idea. Earn cash, taking survey, playing online games, shopping online. Very basic, simple things. You do simple tasks, you get paid very little, which is commensurate with the amount of work you do. So it's easy and you make little. And lastly, we have Survey Junkie. Same idea. Sign up, take surveys, get paid a little bit. So these are some very good options for you to, on day one, to begin attempting to make money with these. As long as your expectations are moderate, you'll probably be relatively happy with them.